In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve queued problem in Luma AI. If your video is stuck on queued, don't panic. This usually just means the servers are busy and your generation is waiting its turn. Here's how to get moving again quickly and reliably. First, give it a little time. During normal periods, jobs often clear in 2 to 10 minutes, and they can take longer when traffic spikes. While you wait, avoid stacking duplicate requests. That can slow things down for you and everyone else. If it feels frozen, refresh the page. Sometimes the interface stops updating even though the backend kept working. After a refresh, check your project list or gallery to see whether the render already finished and is ready to view or download. If it sits in the queue for too long, cancel and regenerate. Make a small change to your prompt, adjust a word or simplify a phrase, then submit again. That slight tweak often routes the task into a different server batch and helps it start processing. Next, rule out browser hiccups. Try opening Luma AI in another browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Different browsers handle caching a bit differently, and switching can clear whatever was holding the job in place. If that helps, you found the culprit. You can also clear your cached data. Old sessions sometimes confuse the queue state. Clear the cache, cookies, and site data specifically for Luma AI, then sign in again and resubmit. This gives the app a clean slate to sync your tasks. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Short drops can interrupt the job handoff between your device and the service, leaving the interface stuck on queued. If possible, pause heavy downloads or move closer to your router while submitting generations. Timing helps too. Queues are noticeably longer during US daytime and on evenings or weekends. If your schedule allows, try off-peak hours for faster starts. Consider simplifying your prompt. Extremely heavy instructions like ultra-detailed, hyper-realistic cinematic can slow the handoff and the render. Start shorter and more focused, confirm the job begins processing, and then iterate with detail once it's moving. Finally, be aware of priority. Free accounts generally sit lower in the line, while paid plans tend to process much faster. If you rely on frequent generations, upgrading can reduce waiting dramatically. Follow these checks in order, and most queued stalls resolve quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to creating without the wait.